Hi there, my name's Ed Ludbrook. I'm the founder and CEO of the Dacxi. We are very excited because we are pioneering the next step in the hottest sector of the world's largest industry, which is finance. We call it crowd finance, and it will literally transform the wealth of the world, because the world is looking, the public are looking for new wealth opportunities, because the classic wealth opportunities of property and shares are at the top of their cycle. In fact, they're actually going down a little bit. And the fact is that the new wealth opportunities are being created by what's called crowdsourced finance. And we're talking about crowd investing in digital assets. We're talking about crowdfunding and crowd investing. And we look at that and we say, hey, look, the next step is you have a platform which has all of those opportunities, because the key is really the crowd, and that's where the Dacxi believe, we believe that we're specialists in this area. We have an enormous amount of knowledge, and we've been investing for quite a long period of time to ensure that we can look after the people, because when people look at this area, they don't have a lot of confidence. And we've launched Australia. That's the key market to us at the moment. And we've just had our first serious quarter, which has been amazing. February was 100% of January. March was more than 100% of February. So the sales are producing just confirm that we're on the right track. This quarter, and this is what this video is really about, is just me explaining to people what we're going to do this quarter. For me, it's about creating and delivering the platform that the public need to really come into Dacxi in a mass way, because we want people to come into this area of crowd finance, firstly through the area of crypto. But to do that, the people need to understand that we're different. So this quarter, we're going to talk a lot about our technology platform. We have invested an enormous amount of money and time. We could actually launch a global network of 100 exchanges. So an exchange in every country of the world, globally sourced, with a unique patented system, which will allow us to deliver like one new coin per market every day. Okay, we already have that technology, okay? And that's important because that provides the foundation for confidence that people can have in our company. The second thing is security. Security is obviously vital, and in that, they've just done a major audit of exchanges around the world. We were one of the highest rated for security, higher than, in fact, Binance, which is the world's largest. Then regulatory, we're compliant obviously with AUSTRAC, with ASIC, and we'll be applying this quarter for another level of legislation that we actually don't need, but the reality, we're going to get that because the public will gain trust by us doing it, and we think we'll need it in the next 12 to 24 months. We're also, obviously, with our ASX listing, we're working with two of Australia's leading professional organisations to do that. We know how to do that, and that's one thing I want people to understand. And when you look at Dacxi, you need to appreciate that I personally have had experience, because in the last sort of boom like this new digital area, which happened in the 90s, I was in the UK. There was the deregulation of the telecoms and utilities area, and my partner and I, Richard, we created a company. We did Europe's first seed-based IPO on an entrepreneurial exchange. We launched this company. We grew it so fast. We rushed to have recapitalization to the business, and that business has now gone on to having sales of more than $1 billion. It is a market leader. It's called Telecom Plus, or Utilities Warehouse. You will know that people who got involved in that business, it's created a very successful company. So I know how to do that. And the key in this marketplace is always customer acquisition. You can have the best technology in the world, but to get mass adoption of your concept, they have to trust you, and you have to have the systems that allow that to happen. So that affiliate system, that customer system is what we're going to focus so much on in this quarter. It's through the development and education and professionalization of a leadership group. It's the support for our customers. It's the systems that we use to educate them, to inspire them, to process their sales, and to build their confidence, because no one just makes one investment. Okay, they make multiple investments as they have confidence in what we're doing. And I'm just so excited for us at the moment. I'm excited for those people that are involved, because as a company we're in such a good place. We're perfectly positioned, and therefore I know that this quarter is going to be fantastic. So if you're working with us, that's terrific. If you're thinking of doing that, I hope you investigate us in detail, ask any question you like, and we'll ensure that you understand exactly where we're coming from. Transparency as an organisation is fundamental to us. So we hope that you work with us, because this quarter is going to be magnificent and 2019 is going to be fantastic. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.